Morning. It is Tuesday the 15th. Yesterday we did that driveway in Essex, Brian and I. Today I'm going to do one by myself while Brian goes and does some seeding and strawing on a job. I just figured I'd complain about employees for a few minutes. I've gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new hires this year. None of them last for various reasons. Some very legit reasons, some performance based, some no show. Very discouraging. I try to put a positive spin on it by saying every time somebody quits I save $1,200-1,300 a week in payroll. But here we are again, back to just Brian and I trying to get jobs done, and it's very discouraging because it's very slow. You know, the last couple jobs I've had to drive the dump truck and run the machine. It just takes a lot longer. I'm getting my steps in, and I'm losing weight from climbing the dump truck 10 times a day. So those are some positive things. But I hired a guy I know who works for a town, and he has Fridays off, so he's going to come on Fridays and just help do whatever. I'm sure I'll always have something for him to do. But man, this is discouraging. Just never seems to get any better. So anyway, we've got the tandem towing the tag trailer with a skid steer and attachments on it. We're going to go unload that. The job's right here in town, so I'm going to drop the equipment, go drop the trailer, grab a load of gravel, and go back and start working on that. Shouldn't take very long. I gotta go down to Williston and cut a couple of trees down. The guy is gonna come grind the stumps tomorrow. I can't remember where they're leaning, so I'm just gonna go down some wedges and drop them out of his way. And I got a small delivery with the 5500 today, and it's not raining right now, so we're going to capitalize upon that. So let's get going. Alright, just got back here with a load of gravel. Started to cut a ditch down the side of the driveway with a skid steer bucket. I'm a little less bitchy. I got a breakfast sandwich. Okay. Got the ditch cut. Quick and dirty ditch. Nothing fancy. Don't have an excavator here. Now I'm going to grade this out real quick. And I think it's going to take 3, maybe 4 loads of material to do the whole driveway. They said they want to do from the garage down, so there's a couple crossings for overhead lines that I'll have to contend with, but nothing major. I'm not doing the shared portion, but I did screw it up turning around a couple times, so smooth it out, roll it. Don't want to piss off the neighbors. I used to plow for them, and then they bought a tractor and didn't need me to do it again. Try to come over and grab some of this gravel. We have available here in town is not as good as the other stuff we use, but it's a 10-minute round trip versus an hour. It's coming together, going 0.3 miles an hour up the steep slope. Almost ready to put some new material down. Filling in all the low spots. Pulling everything in. Place is one of our plow accounts. Not really sure if I'm keeping it or not. I'm trying to get away from residential accounts, but I haven't decided. This one's not that difficult to do, so I may keep it. It's right next to my house. But have to decide that in the next couple months. Summertime goes by so fast, mostly because I'm preoccupied, but I love it so much. I hate winter. Just hate it. Cannot wait to be a snowbird at the young age of 48. My son graduates high school. I'm not going to be here in the winter. That is for sure. Still at it. Slowly but surely. Pushing these piles together. I have a feeling I'm going to get one more load. Customer didn't really give me a budget. They just said they wanted it fixed right. Coated it from top to the bottom, so we will do that. Brian just got here. He went to get a hydraulic hose fixed for the grapple, and I got it replaced at Napa. He just got here. He's working on the edges a little bit. Making some progress. Still getting these loads meshed together. Got probably another half an hour of grading left before it's ready to roll. I'm trying to make it so it only needs 4 loads for the guy. Okay. About 4 hours.